Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Maths Pyramid. Let's discuss about the trigonometry. So first we discuss about the meaning of the word trigonometry. Trigonometry consists of three words. First is tri, second is gon, and third is metric. The tri means three, gon means sides, and metri means measurement. So what we are going to do, we are going to measure the three sides. That is, measure the sides of a triangle, because triangle is made up of three sides. So here we are discussing about the relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle, basically with the respect to acute angle. Okay, so this is the basic definition of your trigonometry, and we are going to discuss about the introduction to trigonometric ratios. So let's start. In trigonometry, it is the study of relationship between the sides and angles of a triangle. And trigonometric ratios, in this, some ratio of the sides of a right triangle with respect to its acute angle is considered. Okay, we are having a angle A O B, where angle O, let it be theta. This is your acute angle. So we are doing what? In respect of this acute angle, we are going to take the some measurement of a right angle triangle. For this, what we are going to do, we are going to draw a perpendicular from OA to OB. Let from P to M. We draw a perpendicular. Now we are having POM as a right angle triangle. So we are having POM. We get this right angle triangle, and this is the theta. Now with respect to this theta, we are going to discuss all the relationship between these sides and angle. With respect to this theta, since it is a right angle triangle, so we know that OP is your hypotenuse, and side opposite to this angle, it is known as perpendicular, and side on which we are having theta angle, it is known as base. Or you can say it is opposite side, opposite to angle, and we can say it is the side adjacent to angle. But for convenient, we are using it as hypotenuse, perpendicular, and base. If this is your theta, if we change the position of theta, let angle P be the theta, then your OM will become perpendicular, because the side opposite to the angle is known as perpendicular, and your PM will become base. So our base and perpendicular will be based on the angle theta. Now we are having a triangle here. Let A, B, C. It be the triangle of the right angle triangle. We have to find the relationship on the basis of this angle theta. Okay, so let A be the perpendicular, because it is the opposite to angle theta, and BC be the base of the right angle triangle, and AC is your hypotenuse. Okay, now what can we see from here? That perpendicular, hypotenuse, and base. Since we are having three sides, perpendicular, base, and hypotenuse, and to find the relationship, we can have how many possibilities? For perpendicular, we are having two possibilities. We can take perpendicular with respect to base or with respect to hypotenuse. Similarly, for base, we can take it with respect to perpendicular and hypotenuse, and for hypotenuse, we are having base and perpendicular. Means 6 combinations can be formed from these three sides, taking 2 at a time. We are taking 2 sides at a time and find the ratio of these sides. So let's start. First, we are taking perpendicular with hypotenuse, and then base with hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is in the denominator and perpendicular is in the numerator, and here base is in the numerator. So we are going to write it as perpendicular upon hypotenuse and base upon hypotenuse. And with respect to angle theta, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, it is known as sine theta. Okay, and generally we write it as sine theta. And base upon hypotenuse, it is known as cosine theta, which we can write it as cos theta. Okay. Now we are taking what? Perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular upon base, perpendicular upon hypotenuse we have taken. Now we have taken perpendicular upon base. It is known as tangent theta, which is equals to tan theta. Okay. Now we take opposite to this. We are taking hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. So it is cosine, which is known as cosec theta, which we can write as cosec theta. Hypotenuse upon base. Now hypotenuse upon base, hypotenuse upon perpendicular, it is just opposite to sine theta. And what is the hypotenuse upon base? It is just opposite to cos theta. It is known as secant theta, and we can call it as sec theta. And opposite to tangent theta, it is cotangent theta, which is base upon perpendicular. Okay, we can write it as cot theta. So this is our ratios of our sides of a right angle triangle with respect to angle theta, which is acute angle. It is known as sine theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sine theta is, you can see from here that sine theta is just opposite to your cos theta. Because this in cosec theta we are having perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here we are having hypotenuse upon perpendicular. We can write sine theta as 1 upon cosec theta. Okay. Your cos theta, it is just opposite to your sec theta. It is reciprocal of that, and tan theta is reciprocal of your cot theta. Similarly, you can write cosec theta, it is as the reciprocal of your sine theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of your cos theta, and cot theta is reciprocal of your tan theta. Now what we are having? Since we are having A, B, C as your right angle triangle, theta, so this is your perpendicular, this is your base, and this is your hypotenuse. Now we know that what is sine theta? Sine theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What is cos theta? It is base upon hypotenuse. When you are going to divide sine theta with cos theta, you will get sine theta divided by cos theta. It is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse divided by hypotenuse upon base. Okay. Hypotenuse divided by base. Okay. So you will get perpendicular upon base. And what is perpendicular upon base? It is tan theta. From here we can know that tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So you can write here sine theta divided by cos theta, it is equals to tan theta. Similar relationship you can find by cos theta divided by sine theta. So cos theta divided by sine theta, it is equals to cot theta, which is just opposite of your tan theta. Okay. And when you multiply tan theta by cot theta, what you will get? Perpendicular upon base into base upon perpendicular, you will get 1. So tan theta into cot theta, it is equals to 1. So this is the basic relationship between the sides and angles of a angle of a right angle triangle with respect to acute angle. This is just the introduction of your trigonometry. If you are having any doubt and query, please write in the comment box. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel so that you will get the notification as soon as video is uploaded. So from here it is clear that since we are having right angle triangles, we can use hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. And with respect to theta, perpendicular and base changes according to what theta we have chosen. If you find the video useful, please like and share the video. Thank you so much.